Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ECM Technica Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we had to troubleshoot quite a lot because it was having an issue that the machine was not filling up. So here the pump running over for a long period and it would not stop filling up. And it turned out it was the control box and the two-way valve. We started by replacing this two-way valve that is located really deep inside the machine. For like an extra edition, it will be located right there behind this panel, right up below here. This valve is connected with a bunch of other pipes around, so it's really hard to get to. But we started with that one. We replaced it, and it was still having the same issue. We went all around the entire system to make sure there was no clogs, scale buildup, or anything like that. We replaced the pump as well just to test it, and it was pump, but we were still not able to find it. After a lot of testing and a lot of testing, we find out that the port was not sending enough electricity to this valve. It will sometimes send it will sometimes not do it. So it was just a very intermittent problem because sometimes this machine will just actually fill, and other times it will not fill at all. And thankfully, by replacing this power wall, we were able to use the machine without no problems. We've been emptying the boiler and refilling the boiler the whole day through without a single issue. The machine is in hot. It has been on pressure for the past few hours. It's hot. Also, steam coming out from here. Excellent pressure coming out through the hot water one, as you can see, and of course, amazing pressure coming out through the group as well. So yeah, that was the main issue with this machine. It was just not overfilling. It was not filling the boiler, and therefore it was not heating up at all. But right now the machine is working perfectly fine. So there you have it. ECM Technica working once again and ready to go. Thank you so much for the Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like button.